welcome to my channel Easy English Literature. This channel is especially for UGC NET aspirants. I welcome you all to a brand new series of History of British English Literature. In this video, I am going to give you an overview about Old English period. So let's get started. Old English period starts from 410 AD to 1066 AD. Original inhabitants were living in Britain from 55 BC and these people were known as Britons. They continued to live there till 410 AD. During this age, a Germanic group invaded Britain. The three tribes of Germanic group are Angles, Saxons and Jutes. Angles were very dominant among them. Later, these three tribes started to live with Britain. This period is a combination of native language spoken by Britons plus language spoken by Germanic tribes. If we combine these two languages, then it is known as Old English. Literary characteristics of the age. No remarkable work is written because England was at constant war with so many invaders. For example, Vikings invaded England. Another reason was no scientific advancement was made and lack of printing press. So major works lost due to oral tradition. Major literary works. During this age, literature belonged to either heroism or related to Christian ideas. There were two kinds of poetry. One is heroic poetry, the other is religious poetry. People living in Britain were Britons and Germanic tribes. These Germanic tribes were known as pagan people. They didn't believe in God, so they started to talk about great Greek heroes and knights. One of the most important heroic poetry is Beowulf. Beowulf is an epic poetry which talks about a great hero who defeats Grendel the monster. During 5th century, Saint Augustine tried to convert entire Europe into Christianity. Britain started to believe in Christ. Image of cross was dominant in their poems. For example, Dream of the Road. Poetries are found in different manuscripts. One of the important manuscripts is Exeter Book. This manuscript comprises of 131 poems. Which talks about day-to-day problems faced by people. Then comes King Alfred the Great. He was the pioneer in prose. He made Old English as the medium of instructions for students. He contributed a lot for the development of Old English. He also translated Latin works into Old English. In 1066 AD, William I, the Duke of Normandy, invaded England and he fought with Harold Godwinson. He was the king of Anglo-Saxons. This battle is known as Battle of Hastings. At the end, Harold died and Anglo-Saxon period ended. William I became William the Conqueror.